problems. Okay, and then we solve them. So the issue that I got was that the chain are coming out. So what I did, I 3D print those pieces, 4 pieces that are gonna go this way. They have here like a spacer that they're gonna hook that way. And what this is gonna do, this is gonna provide some support top and bottom to the chain. So while the rifle gonna turn, the chain not gonna be able to fall from the chain no matter what. At the same time, I did the same for this, for actually the sprocket, and I did one from the bottom for now, and I'm maybe gonna add one on the top, I'm not sure. But let me put this together and I'm gonna show you how it's look. I'm sure you don't want to see me just put in the screws, so let me do that and I'll be back in a second and show you how it's work. So if you still like to see this boring part, pay attention, I'm doing it. It's gonna have a link right there how to do it. So now when we have the shield ready, we're gonna put back the chain. Now we have a chain lead that will hold the chain inside at all time. You're gonna set this thing right there and put it here. Okay, now what we need to do is just add our chain tensioner after we of course put the safety screw here. Now one more thing that I'm gonna have to do later, I will have to add another wheels here and here outside just to keep this thing from rolling away. Now let's add the tensioner. Okay, my tensioner is in place. I may be going to need to put another one here or just put a bigger spring on this, but let's check if it's working better now. Okay, so work much smoother. Okay, our rotating device is ready to rock. Yeah, I think we're good. Come on, baby, make my day. We're almost there. Stay tuned.